So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc/scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. Now once we're here, you just want to scroll down and you want to get the first one that comes up. Click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds automatically. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start downloading. If it did not start downloading, then you want to click right here. It will then start downloading for you. Now once you have this, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. And now you just want to double click on this folder. You want to find the Vmprotectsdk file, this one right here. You just want to drag this to your desktop. Here it is. Now once this one on desktop, we're just going to right click on it and then we're going to copy it. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it and then click on Windows. Now you want to scroll down till you find System32. Scroll down till you find System32, double click on it. And now you just want to paste the DL file that you copied earlier into here. You could either just drag it from my desktop into here. Continue. Or if you want, you could just right click and paste it if you want. And then once you do that, the problem should now be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed though, for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Azure Programs, click on it. And now you want to find the application that you're having a problem with. Let's just say, for example, you're having a problem with Roblox. You want to scroll down till you find Roblox. You want to click on the 3 dots, uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. And then you just want to download the application again. That should now fix your problem.